Hello everyone, today we are going to cover an interesting project about study abroad course explorer. So what is this and why I create this project about? It's kind of like a data scientist project. It's not like a machine learning end-to-end project. It's kind of like a mini project. It's course mini project. It's not like a full of machine learning project. So here this streaming website. Why this website interesting? First I want to show you about this interesting this project about how it works. First of all, this is data exploring. You can use like any country as a master, as like AI engineer, or if you want to duration, and then you can find dataset. But as a machine learning use neuro, so I feel is a computer science. Okay, here the computer science and here the dataset. Interesting, and is the main cost. You can see main cost in yearly. So here the everything about this dataset is a US. Okay, US and expensive city. So here the model you can find this is the model. So if you here and you can search